Alright guys, welcome back on my today's channel. So today guys, we're going to show you guys, we're going to be talking about psychological level, okay, types of psychological level, how to use psychological level, and how to trade psychological level. So make sure to stay tuned through the end, okay guys. And if you're new to this platform, make sure to subscribe as we hop into right now. So psychological levels are random numbers. These are zones where multiple price action occurs, okay. And we told you guys to draw psychological level. We have two types of psychological level. We have the sub and the main. Okay, we have the main psychological level and we have the sub psychological level. So right guys, we hop into the chart right now. As you can see, we are on Euro USD, and we can see here we are on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, okay, we are on the daily time frame. As you can see, the daily. So guys, psychological levels are placed where price action occurs, okay. As right here now, you can see multiple price action where here, for example here, okay, I'm going to show you guys how to draw it. Click on your chart right here, on your instrument, click on this icon right here, click on your horizontal line, here. All these places are where markets occur, okay. Within these zones, there were multiple market rejections, as you can see right here. As you can see, markets went down, came up, came down again, market retested like. So you can see within these zones, we can see market had the main psychological level within these zones, okay. As you can see, this is our main psychological level, our main, and this is our sub, okay, sub psychological level. The main psychological level is the foundation, because this they are found above, while the sub psychological level are found in between the psychological level, in between the main psychological level, guys. So that's how to draw psychological level. And if you look far back, you can see markets also retested here. If you go far back, you can see that this here, you can see here is a main psychological level. If we keep going back, okay, but we're not going further more, okay. So within this zone, when price reaches here, we can see a market reaction. These are zones where markets reacted. These are zones where markets retested, like touched several times. So these are psychological levels, guys. So guys, I'm going to take my first trade within this psychological level, okay. As you can see, you have known the psychological level. You have seen places where markets retested. You have seen it, guys, okay. So further ado, I'm going to take a trade, okay. And my trade I'm going to take, it will be on Euro AUD on the daily time frame. The main reason why we draw psychological levels is to show you price action rejection, multiple places where price market touched, okay. That's what psychological level is all about. These are where hedge funds, bankers, they trade from, okay. Banks don't go in. These are chunks where banks act on a position, they break in the position using that psychological level. Like I said, guys, you have the main and the sub psychological level, the main and the sub psychological level, okay. And psychological level is used to trade support and resistance, price rejection, and price retestment or reversal. So these are places we might look at. As you can see here, look at this. Market came down here, guys. It went up, came down, went up again. As you can see here, is a psychological level, guys. These are right here is a main psychological level. So market came in, so you can see this zone. I say this zone is a main psychological level. This zone and this right here, these are main the psychological level. So whenever you are trading, you have known where markets will like to react. Okay, as you can see. So I'm gonna take a trade on Euro AUD on the day time frame. So right now, guys. So I'm gonna take a trade below here right here, 147.47026. I want to take a trade right now, guys. So what I'm gonna do, I'm not sure the market will gonna reach this here. So what I'll do, I'll take the closest take profit. I'll go while trading psychological level, guys. What you do is that you break your TP into splits. What I mean, like for example, within this zone can be my first take profit, my second take profit will be around here, my third take profit, my fourth and my fifth. Okay, so don't be greedy, one step at a time. If market reaches here, I place another one, second one, the third one, and the fourth one. So that is all about psychological level, guys. So if you're confused, guys, comment down below. Comment down. Let me know what you think. Was this video helpful for you? And make sure to like and subscribe because it helps the YouTube algorithm. Okay, for others can find this channel helpful. Okay. Now you have known what psychological level is. So let's recap. Psychological levels are zones where banks and hedge funds buy from. These are major zones with multiple price action reactions. Okay, multiple price action continuations. You can see market retest. You can see multiple price action here. You can see multiple. You can see market retested on these lines. Markets retested on so many of it. You can see market came here, went down, went up, came down, went up, came down. Okay, and you have seen what all psychological is all about, guys. So in our next video, we'll be talking about support and resistance and supply and demand. So make sure to like and subscribe to this video, guys. Comment down below if you're confused. I'll send you a guideline, a PDF. If you don't understand this video, I'm going to send a PDF on how to trade it better. Okay, so guys, see you on the next video.